At Echo Hearing Solutions, we believe every child deserves to hear the world around them. If your child seems to miss sounds or is having trouble with speech, a BERA hearing test can help. The BERA test is a simple, painless way to see how your child's ears and brain work together. Our skilled audiologists can spot even the smallest hearing issues early on, giving you peace of mind. With early detection, your child can enjoy clearer hearing and better communication skills. Contact Echo Hearing Solutions today to schedule your child's BERA hearing test because every voice matters.